I think the event is incredible. It's a real divergent mix of voices and people, and I think the best conferences really are when you have truly diverse people speaking and being interviewed, so I'm thoroughly impressed with it. Well, the publishing industry is all about creativity, and actually, of course, the publishing industry has its own challenges. So things like smaller budgets, reducing the time that you spend on things can actually elicit true creativity. You know, I put a magazine together every single month, and you could spend a very long time on coming up with ideas, but sometimes we keep our ideas deliberately short to a short amount of time, so that what happens is the idea that you get comes from your gut. It's a truly authentic idea. So keep your meetings to a minimum if you can.